Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name's Alex Wrighton. I'm the Managing Director here at Bulthaup, and it is my great pleasure to welcome you all here to our event during Clerkenwell Design Week. I'm extremely pleased and happy to welcome an old friend, Sally Storey, who is the Design Director of John Cullen Lighting, to give us a little talk tonight on the importance of lighting within the kitchen. I think it's especially relevant to have John Cullen here because they also offer their customers the same high level of service and execution in the job in hand that we do.
Thank you very much, Alex. I'm here to talk about kitchen lighting, and I'm not going to deviate too far, but I'll be showing some of what I call the tricks of the trade. They're not all Bulthaup kitchens because I really wanted to show what lighting can do. But now, a little bit more about the talk. I'm starting with, in our demonstration studio, and I'm so delighted to be here in the Bulthaup one, we do have a kitchen. It's very plain white, and the reason I've started with this is I have lit it in hundreds of ways, which you wouldn't normally do all those ways in your own house or any other kitchen, but there are so many different solutions. And one of the key solutions is to layer the light and to create sort of levels of light. So for here, one of the first things I say is avoid a grid. I've now introduced another layer, and as a lighting designer, I play with layers of lights. It's introducing different elements. So what you see here is the underside of the counter is unlit. So when you're sitting at the other side of the dining room, you don't really perceive it. But suddenly, by uplighting, you've created a brightness, and you've also created a focus of the island. But suddenly what you got was this softness because it reflected off the floor. And what's really nice is actually working together with Bulthaup, and it's actually making things happen like that, because if you look like that, and also the other key element was this old unit here. She said, no, I don't really want to light it. But at night it becomes almost like a wall light. It becomes a soft effect. All about good lighting is about light and shadow. Make sure you can see the task light, but actually also feel that the shadow can help at night. But we don't just stop at the garden, we go everywhere. But anyway, those were just a few words. I'm not taking you through the whole house. All I came here was to talk about the kitchen, and I'm so glad you stayed to listen. And thank you very much, and I'll be here, and there's some colleagues, they can put their hands up if you want to ask any questions. They're over there at the back. And thank you very much indeed, and happy kitchen hunting, happy lighting.